In this video, let's discuss about the OnePlus N6X device regarding the specifications and the price details, what you can actually expect. So very soon the OnePlus N6X going to release very soon. So a lot of people they did ask me what are the specifications and what can be the price estimated based on the specifications. So that's what I'm going to discuss in this video on the OnePlus N6X device. So these are the exact design how it actually looks like on the back side. So when you compare with the previous OnePlus Nord 6 series and recent released phones with the OnePlus, slightly change in terms of the back camera. As you can see, camera design has been changed. Previously, it used to be like completely square design. Now it has been shifted to the completely line design. Okay, that's the one change which I have observed OnePlus N6X device. And regarding the specifications, the phone comes with the Dimensity 6360 Apex Dimensity processor, which is pretty kind of medium like gaming oriented processor. And regarding the display, 6.8 inches, 120 Hz display will be present, and IPS LCD panel, not OLED panel, IPS LCD panel. And camera wise, 50 megapixel back camera will be there, one camera sensor, and 8 megapixel selfie camera. 8000 mAh of battery, 45 watts of fast charging is present. So overall, the specifications looks completely close to recent release another OnePlus device, right? So yes, exactly. It's not that much changed in terms of specifications. Most of the specifications are completely similar. Even I'm not sure like why the OnePlus is releasing like multiple phones with the kind of similar kind of specifications. So that's what I can say at this moment. So it's a quick information regarding the overall OnePlus N6X device. So this is a OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite which has released for like Dimensity 7400 Apex processor. This is a Dimensity 6360 Apex processor which is going to release. And the price of the phone going to be less than 20,000 rupees. So which will be targeting 20,000 below segment users. So in terms of the pricing, that's what we can see. The OnePlus N6 released recently with the same kind of 8000 mAh of battery, 45 watts of fast charging, but slightly with a different camera angle and the design, as you can see. So most of the specifications look exactly similar, just the change in terms of the camera like design. That's what I have noticed so far between the both of the phones, as you can see. The OnePlus N6 and the OnePlus N6X will be having similar kind of exact specifications, even the processor, display. So most of the things are completely similar between the both of the phones. So I'm not sure why the OnePlus is releasing in the first minute itself this device. But overall, we can expect the price may be less than this OnePlus N6 because it's a X1 OnePlus N6X. So that's what we can get to know. So maybe with the less price, the phone might release below 20,000 rupees. But still, that's kind of pretty expensive when you compare with other phones which has been released recently. But overall, this is a quick information about the OnePlus N6X. What is the price details you can actually expect, and these are the specifications about the device. So in case if you have any other questions and any other doubts on this particular device, let me know in the comment section below. But overall, this is what you can actually get some kind of clarity and the idea on the OnePlus N6X device. So we'll be seeing more of these phones releasing, guys, recently, like very mid-range segment mobile phones, 20,000, 25,000 range. So we'll be seeing a lot of this kind of phones going to release at this moment. So I think the price hike situation has been like peak level at this moment. So I'm not sure when the price is going to decrease again later. But overall, this is a quick information about the OnePlus N6X device. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and see you in the next video, and bye.